So I absolutely love that this Panda grip mop can swivel in and out of places. So if I'm trying to do a quick cleanup and I don't have to move all of my kitchen chairs and stuff out of the way. So I really want to thank the company for sending this to me to check out. So straight out of the box, it came with the main handle, a connector straight handle, the spray bottle piece, the mop head, and a pad already attached. Mine also came with 2 additional pads, so you have 3 pads total, and it was super easy to put together. You just start with the main handle that has the squeeze knob on it, line it up with the connector handle, and it's easy to know how to line them up because one will have a round cutout hole and the other will have like a purple button or a colored button that you push them together until that button clicks into the hole. Then you just repeat the same thing, connecting the bottle piece and then finally the mop head. Now, the mop pads themselves are very high quality. They were actually a lot thicker than I expected, and they feel a little squishy or foamy on the back. So I find them to pick up very well. Just look at like all these coffee stains on my floor. Quick spray of the mop solution and a few passes, the stains were completely gone. I didn't even really have to scrub hard or anything like that. And speaking of that mop solution, this bottle on this mop has got to be my absolute favorite. I have other spray mops where the bottle is just so flimsy, and the more you spray the solution, the bottle gets sucked in and stops working halfway through trying to mop. But not this one. Not only are those mop pads high quality, but the bottle is also high quality, made of hard plastic so it doesn't bend or get sucked in or get messed up in any way. And it's also very easy to fill with your favorite mop solution. You just pull up on the bottle and it'll come right out or pop out. You unscrew the top, add your mop solution, and of course just push it back down on the bottle holder until it snaps into place. The mop solution sprayer itself is also very nice. It gives an even mist across a wide area of your floor so you can actually cover more space quickly when trying to mop. And the swivel head again just makes it so easy to move this mop around so effortlessly. I can get things done quickly and with one hand too. I highly recommend.